Hi, and welcome to 37548 Peoria Trail. This 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home is sure to please. Now, this room is great. It can be either a study or a first floor bedroom. Right next door is a full bath, so this would be a great in-law suite or a guest suite, whichever you prefer. This large kitchen has granite countertop, and one of my favorite things about the house is this wonderful travertine tile. This goes throughout the foyer, into the laundry room. Very, very nice. You've got this large family room and a nice little eat-in, and the Pella windows do have the built-in blinds, so top of the line for everything on this property. Heat-a-later fireplace, so when you're actually running the fire, the heat's not going up the chimney, it's coming out into the room, reducing your heating and cooling. Do you have a formal dining? The living area has a water view. You can see the pond, the Christmas lights of this wonderful subdivision. Now let's go upstairs, check out the other bedrooms, and I think you're going to like it. You have a large master suite. And one of the things the owner has done here is customize all the closets. So this is one of the 2 closets. There's a walk-in closet through the bathroom also. So we really have nice sized bedrooms throughout. This one here is the smallest of the 5. Newer carpeting. Solid oak doors throughout the entire home. And that is very cool. It's going to reduce sound. You don't have to worry about the kids putting a hole in the door. Just a beautiful, beautiful maintained property. Finished basement, lots of storage. We have a workroom back there you're not going to see, but lots of storage. Even over the garage, the seller has put flooring down with easy access. So getting out those Christmas trees, all those winter clothes and summer clothes when the time comes, makes it so much easier. This really is a beautiful subdivision. You have this great backyard. The lot is over a ½ acre. You have a water view. Don't miss out on this property. It's probably not going to last. So reach out, schedule your private showing, and see if you can be the next owner of this one-owner home. Thanks for watching and have a great day.